Hello, sir. Good morning. And my name is Mark Anthony Lares, and my student ID number is 210 Let's proceed to the question. Discuss the reason why organization undertake information system projects. First is to benefit from business opportunities and strategy to business challenges. Information systems projects are undertaken are two primary reasons to take advantage of business opportunities and to solve business problems, providing an innovative service to customers through the creation of a new system is an example of an opportunity. Modifying the way uh, in which an existing system process data so that more accurate or timely information is provided to users is an example of solving a business problem. The reason organization undertake information system project is to either create a new system or to redesign an old one. When building a new system, a cumbersome, costly manual process is automated into a computer system. When a system is redesigned, it is because the old system has become obsolete or its technology is, for example, COBOL. The reason organization undertake information system is to uh, take advantage of business opportunities and by providing innovative service to customers, the creation of a new system. And that's it. Thank you, sir. My name is Macadam Lares, and this is my contribution.
Good day, sir. I am Kim Dar Fajardo, and my student number is 1902625. And I'll be here to discuss the reasons why organizations undertake information system projects. The reason to that is to take advantage of business possibilities and to address business issues. Information systems projects are done. An opportunity might be to provide clients a cutting edge service by developing a new system. An example of resolving business issue is changing how an existing system process data in order to give users more precise or timely information. Organizations work on information system initiatives to develop a new system or redesign the existing ones. A time-consuming, expensive manual procedure is automated into a computer system when creating a new system. When a system is redesigned, it usually because the prior one is no longer functional or the technology is has been advanced. So these projects supports the core services of an organization to meet important businesses and to meet the important business objectives such as improving competitiveness, increasing productivity and efficiency, accelerating growth, supporting innovation, and reducing cost.
Hi, I am Carloyd P. Ibayan and my student number is 1904247, and I'm here to discuss the number 2, describe the activities performed by the project manager during project initiation. The project manager's activities include directing the other team members on what they should do and distributing the assignment or task to everyone so that the project progresses smoothly. Although you cannot be a project manager if you do not know what the project will be about. You can learn about the project manager assignment. Knowing the assignment is the first step in authorizing the project manager's involvement from the beginning to the end of the project. This ensures that the project manager has a true understanding of the project and can thus identify potential risk and constraint. At this point, the project sponsors and client both confirm their support for the project and release the necessary financial support to begin work on it. It addresses the issue of project manager competencies and project leadership styles that exist in various types of project-oriented organization, namely those that are strictly project-oriented and those that are managed project for internal purposes. A literature review was conducted on a project manager, competencies, and project leadership styles. Three competencies distinguish project managers working in strictly project-oriented organization from those working in organizations that perform project-based management for internal purposes. Achievement orientation, sensitivity, teamwork, and cooperation. But what is the purpose of the project initiation? According to Project Practical, the purpose of the project initiation is to initiate the project. Project initiation is the first one of the most important parts where you are doing a project. Project manager is needed in the beginning until the project ends. The assigned project manager is the one who is more knowledgeable in this project. Typically, in the initiation phase, project manager and project sponsor is the one who is the tandem in this project and clarifies things such as objectives, scopes, and constraints. Then they prepare the project charter. As a project manager, you need to build a plan to execute this project. This is where the project charter came in. What is project charter? According to Valdelon, a project charter is a formal short document that states a project exists and provides project managers with written authority to begin work on and is an important part of the project management. Project charter includes a project goal which is identifies your goals on this project. Identify the project participants or who will be involved in the project, stakeholders or the sponsors, requirements of the project that you are creating, constraints which helps the participant to prepare for the potential issues of the project, implementation milestones to identify the starts and the ideal finish date, communication, especially when you are the project manager, you need to cooperate with project owners, um, participants and the stakeholders deliveries is how you deliver the process or the service that you provide upon the project. Lastly, you need to create an implementation plan which is overview of the project budget.
Good day. My name is John Kenneth Elakino and my student number is 2100991. Number 3. Describe the activities performed by the project manager during project planning. A project manager creates the project roadmap during the project planning phase of project management, which is also includes the work, breakdown structure, project restriction, project scope, and project plan. Whether the project is brand new, building, or website, the planning stage functions as a roadmap and a management tool for the duration of the endeavor. This is the some activities performed by the project manager during project initiation. Number 1. Scope planning. 2. Project schedule, development. 3. Resource planning. 4. Risk management. And last, number 5. Quality planning.
One of the challenging phase of project for me is the project planning. Let's define first what is project planning. Project planning is a discipline address how to complete a project in a certain time frame, usually with defined stage and design designated resources. Why project planning is the challenging? Because you need to complete it in time, within the budget. Sometimes you may experience lack of requirements, uncontrolled scope, or not meeting the aids.
Good day, sir. I am John Karen E. Caballes, and my student number is 2101068. I am going to discuss the number 4 question. Which of the four phases of the project management process do you feel is most challenging and why? In, in project management process, we choose the planning is the most challenging because in our life, the first step is always the hardest. When people think of project planning, their minds tend to jump immediately to scheduling, but you won't even get to that part until in the build-up phase. Planning is really about finding the fundamentals. What's the problem needs to solve, who will be involved, and what will be done. The planning phase can be include the following steps. Decide deciding on milestone that leads up to goal competition. Developing a schedule for tasks and milestone, including time estimates and potential time buffers. Establishing change process. The next is determining how and how often to communicate with the team members and stakeholders. Creating and signing documents such as non-disclosure agreements or requests for proposals. The next another one is assessing and managing risk by creating risk registers. And the last one is holding a kick-off meeting to start project. The tools you might use in this space includes Gantt charts, a horizontal bar chart in which member can see what tasks must be completed in what order and how long each is expected to take. The next one is risk register, a chart that lists risks associated with the project, along with their probability, potential impact, risk level, and mitigation plans. That's all, sir. Thank you.